Here we have one that's also oddly satisfying. That's 2 satisfying clips in a row. This one is titled Lighter Than Air. I want you guys to just kind of perceive what's going on. I mean, I guess we're in a mall or something. And then if you look at the bottom of the base.
We got a bunch of fans.
Just a bunch of fans. That's it. Just a handful of.
Is that platform flat or is it like a Beyblade, like bowl type? Beyblade. That one got Will, man.
I'm just looking at you. I'm just like, do you actually know what Beyblade is?
Why you gotta look at me, man? Why you gotta look at me? You feel like something like Beyblade that there's no way I would have ever engaged with it. Is that what you're saying?
Yes,
Yeah.
but there is a chance because maybe your kids.
Yeah, but why would there be no chance for me to engage with Beyblade? But
No,
you...
there's no chance. There's no chance.
Okay, but hang on a second. Why would it be no chance for me, but a chance for you? Why? Based on what?
We both like Dragon Ball Z. We've talked about Yu-Gi-Oh before.
Yeah.
What is the connection between those things?
Well, it's just anime and
yeah,
they're similar. Like if you've watched.
Oh, so the toy.
Like, hold on, let me throw a real deep one. Do you know Digimon?
Is that like Pokemon?
Yeah, it's like a spin-off, kind of. Not really. It's like Canadian Pokemon.
No, I mean you're right. Like I wouldn't watch these. I wouldn't watch that. You're right. Yeah. You're right.
But do you know about it?
Yeah, but I thought Beyblade was just the toy. I didn't realize it was a show to go with it.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't realize that. So the toy was just to market the show, or vice versa.
I don't know which one came first.
Or the show to market the toy. One or the other, whatever.
Okay, so you know about the toy.
Toy markets the show markets. I know. I've seen people doing it.
Yeah,
They like pull. I think my kids might have had it.
Zip.
I mean, my kids have all these wacky things. Yeah. How can I keep track of all these wacky things? You know,
wacky.
That's wacky. Like that game is wacky. You pull the thing.
Oh, look at that! That one had a handle, man. There was a kid in my school who had that one. Ooh.
So.
Yeah, you soup it up.
Yeah.
Listen, man, it's. Yeah, okay, I got it. So anyway, I don't know, by the way, if the clip we're about, the satisfying clip we're about, I don't know if
God, yeah.
I don't know if it's as satisfying as Beyblade. I can't.
So wait, what do you think? Do you think that that's a flat?
Is there a divot in this platform?
There's got to be some amount of divot, I would guess. But the cool part is that the fans themselves look like just regular fans.
They just look like normal fans to me.
Yeah, it's kind of like the box fans, but they're circular.
Yeah, I have a similar fan.
I don't know. It's like a $20 fan or something. It's nothing. Doesn't look like a special fan. So go ahead and click the play button here.
Is there noise?
There might be, yeah. But maybe you can't play it.
No, the piano though.
But what's really amazing about this, and here we have the res problem on Reddit happening again. What's crazy about it is how simple this setup, yet how satisfying the output. It's not some kind of elaborate. Like, how much would it even cost to set that up?
No,
$100. What else could you set up that you would stand and look at?
And you can just stare at for a long time. It's like a fire, like a campfire. You can just like watch the flame.
Yeah, you can't do a campfire in the middle of the mall, though.
No, but similar feeling.
Yes, it is similar.
It's just captivating, and you're not sure why.
Yeah, and it's like not repetitive, but is at the same time. Do you know what I mean? It's the same thing that you're looking at, but it's always going to move in a different fashion.
It is. The other thing that's cool is that these floating, lightweight fabric things, they'll never fly out of the display.
Yeah.
Like, they never venture out of it. They stay inside the wave. It looks like they might at different points. Maybe that's also captivating to watch. Like, why doesn't it? When will it?
It's like
escape.
Yeah, you're waiting for it to actually escape.
They also kind of look like those fighting fish. With the tails and stuff. You know? No, you never saw.
No, I don't know this one. But that's okay.
What?
Like, we don't need to go find the fish to show me now.
Yeah, you can't say that.
Oh, wow. Those are colorful.
Yes, and they sort of float around the water like that. Different ribbon-like
colors.
Do they fight?
Well, they're called fighting fish, so I guess.
Yeah, they have beef
I mean,
all
I
the
feel
time.
like, I don't know. Has it happened at one point in time? Maybe.
Well, this is a very creative solution to having something in the mall that is really easy to watch.
Yeah.
Right.
I mean, imagine like putting a fountain there, and then it's so costly to install and
Permanent.
maintenance and all that stuff.
right.
And permanent, yeah. This is kind of a cool solution.
Very cool.
Yeah.
It doesn't look like it has a divot though,
Yeah, I think
like Beyblade,
Oh, back to divot talk.
just based on the shadows of the ribbons.
Yeah, I agree.
Divot talk.
It does look very flat.
Yeah. Well, the angle
Of the
in this case of the
fans.
fans, I think, is doing some of the work.
Mm.
So, yeah,
I would imagine this would be like futuristic art. You know, in I don't know, this is a way back, but you know, in the Phantom Menace, when they were in, I think, an opera or something. It might have been that film, the Star Wars film.
I know. I don't recall what you're talking about, but I know the movie.
It might be a different film, but there was a scene where people or like objects and ribbons and stuff were floating in like the middle of like this orchestral scene, and it's supposed to like be this artistic expression kind of thing. And I imagine this would be very
Someone
similar.
says it's Star Wars Episode 3.
Episode 3, yeah, one of the Star Wars.
So I don't think that's Phantom Menace.
No,
The conversation with Palpatine and Anakin. Look at how quickly the Star Wars
Shout
reference
out
gets
to
sorted out by Isaiah.
Isaiah.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's kind of cool. Like the futuristic art would be in the sky, and it would be like real. So there it is.
Satisfying.
It's in a mall.
Satisfying.